Once upon a time, in a vast, golden savannah, lived a gentle, graceful creature named Kudu. Kudu was a deer with long, spiral horns and a coat that shimmered in the African sunlight. He was known for his kindness and his love for the stars, which he admired each night under the big, wide sky. One night, as a gentle breeze rustled the tall grass, Kudu felt something was amiss. He couldn't quite put his hoof on it, but he felt a sense of loneliness he had never felt before. So, he decided to embark on a journey to find a friend who would share in his love for stargazing. He traveled far and wide, across rivers and over hills, but no one seemed to share his passion. Until one evening, as he stood under the stars, he saw a tiny, twinkling creature. It was a firefly. The firefly, named Spark, was fascinated by Kudu's long, spiral horns and his stories of the stars. From that night on, Kudu and Spark became the best of friends, sharing their nights under the starlit sky. They would tell stories of the constellations, of Orion the Hunter and the Little Dipper, and of the North Star that never moved. As they spent their nights together, Kudu no longer felt lonely. He had found a friend who shared his love for the stars. And so, each night, they would stand together, under the big, wide sky, sharing stories and dreams, making the nights a little brighter. The end.